Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you're trying to find where the engine computer relay, also known as ECU, PCM or ECM relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain where that relay is located, what you need to check, where you can buy cheap relays from, and why it's always a good idea to test relays and fuses. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have here now, we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150. That's what we'll be demonstrating on, guys. If you have a different year but that generation, video may be helpful as well. You guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's actually, guys, underneath the hood. When you open the hood right above the radiator fan, you have that fuse box that's located right here. This is the cover, you can see, with a fuse on it. So when you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. So we can clearly zoom it and show you everything with a great detail. But before we start, let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So when you open the hood, you will face that way, you will be on this side, the windshield, and those relays will be towards the windshield side. Now, those relays could be really expensive at the parts store and sometimes are hard to find. I would recommend to buy some and keep as a spare, at least one or two in the vehicle. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping. The relay for the engine computer, guys, for the PCM, will be that relay right here that you will need to check. That relay will need to be checked. That's the first relay on the top left side. For any of you guys that have a 3.5 V6 engine, you may have one more relay, and we'll be talking about the relay that's located right here in the corner. That relay right here will be for the 3.5 V6 engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.